than 40 million American adults suffer from anxiety disorders, from stress-based to fears to depression and phobias.
As CBS 19's Jennifer Heathcock explains tonight how to detect anxiety and control it in tonight's CBS 19 special report.
Chuck and Jillian, anxiety disorders are the most common mental illness in this country. We can all relate to that tense, distressed feeling, but what causes so many people to live with fear?
Essentially like hyperventilating, feels like you can't breathe in air. Sometimes there's pain associated with it.
Zach Matson was 18 years old when he had his first panic attack.
After leaving a concert was the first time that it happened, kind of blacked out while driving in Dallas.
He's now a 27-year-old college student living with anxiety.
That snowballs into a panic attack.
And he's learned to deal with his triggers.
Going over bridges, crowds of people at times.
Small things can set off a panic attack in a person.
It's kind of like a prison, keeps you from being yourself.
From loud noises to bridges. But anxiety can be much more generalized.
I'd say at least 50% at any one time are treated for anxiety problems. I think everybody has it at some point in their life.
Dr. Brian Lowry is a general practitioner with Trinity Clinics.
See if there's anything else that I need to do.
He says more patients are asking about depression and anxiety.
I think we have a much busier lifestyle now, and I think there are a lot of stressors outside of our control that cause a lot of stress in people.
According to the Anxiety Disorders Association of America, anxiety costs the U.S. more than $42 billion a year, and people with anxiety are 3 to 5 times more likely to go to the doctor.
Anxiety is not just, you're stressed out. Sometimes that can translate into somebody is moody, or they're irritable, or they're sleeping more, or not sleeping as much as they used to.
Jennifer Wood counsels people on issues from marriage to anxiety every day. She says while medication can help a lot of people, it's not the only treatment option.
Instead of just trying to treat the symptoms, I think it's important to really dig deep and look and see what a person is really anxious about and what their heart fears.
Overcoming fear is one thing Matson says he's done by depending on his friends, family, faith, and one other method.
You put yourself in a situation that you know you'd have anxiety issues, and then just keep recreating that until you get desensitized, essentially.
But Matson points out overcoming it starts by talking.
But a lot of people don't really talk about it. It's kind of an embarrassment for most people, even myself.
While anxiety and stress disorders are more likely to affect women, they don't discriminate when it comes to age. The elderly and even children experience symptoms of anxiety. And Chuck and Jillian, while the disorders are treatable, only 1 in every 3 people who suffer from anxiety ever seek treatment.
Thank you, Jennifer. More common than we all might think. Now, to learn more about anxiety treatments and how to reach doctors and counselors,
Just go to our website, cbs19.tv, and click on the hot button. Got a lot of information there for you.